10 ways to get free traffic from YouTube. Getting free traffic from YouTube involves utilizing various strategies to optimize your videos, engage with your audience, and promote your content. Here are 10 effective ways to get free traffic from YouTube. Keyword optimization. Research relevant keywords using tools like Google Keyword Planner and incorporate them into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps your videos get discovered through YouTube's search algorithm. Create high-quality content. Produce engaging, informative, and valuable videos that cater to your target audience. Quality content encourages viewers to watch, share, and subscribe, increasing your channel's visibility. Eye-catching thumbnails and titles. Design visually appealing thumbnails and write compelling titles that grab viewers' attention. A combination of an attractive thumbnail and an intriguing title can significantly improve click-through rates. CTR. Consistent upload schedule. Establish a consistent posting schedule. Regularly uploading content keeps your audience engaged and helps YouTube's algorithm recommend your videos more frequently. Promote user engagement. Encourage viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Respond to comments and engage with your audience to build a sense of community around your channel. Create playlists. Organize your videos into playlists based on specific topics. Playlists keep viewers on your channel longer as YouTube autoplays the next video in the list, increasing overall watch time. Utilize end screens and cards. Add end screens and cards to your videos, guiding viewers to watch more of your content or visit your website. End screens provide clickable elements in the last 20 seconds of your video. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partner with other content creators in your niche for collaborations. Collaborative videos can introduce your channel to a wider audience, generating more traffic. Share on social media and online communities. Promote your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and relevant online communities or forums. Sharing your content increases its reach beyond YouTube. Create compelling descriptions. Write detailed and keyword-rich video descriptions. Include relevant links, timestamps, and a call to action encouraging viewers to engage with your content, such as visiting your website or subscribing. By implementing these strategies consistently, you can enhance your YouTube channel's visibility and attract free traffic from a broader audience. Remember that building a successful YouTube presence takes time, so stay dedicated and keep refining your approach based on viewer feedback and analytics data. To get a free 10-day course on how you can be in the 1, 2, 3, or 4 position on YouTube and Google, get the information. www.bestpassiveincome1.com